Morning everyone, this is Pavani. Today for 8th standard I would like to take the poem Pretext. It is an interesting poem about children, okay? And this poem was written by Linda Ann Nickerson. This poem was written by whom? Linda Ann Nickerson. So it is a very interesting poem, okay? It is a very interesting poem. Let us see. My teeny bopper has a phone. My teeny bopper means my teenage daughter. Okay, my teeny daughter has a phone. So here the conversation is between the mother and the daughter. The conversation is between the mother and the daughter. Here mother is telling to us that what her daughter had. Okay, so now here. My teeny bopper has a phone. She really never is alone. It beeps and jitters day and night, emitting tiny bluish light. So now see here, my teeny bopper means my teenage daughter. She has a phone. Okay, she really never is alone. What the parents will be thinking, okay, if at all if we go out, my daughter will be alone. Okay, what the parents will do, either they'll ask you to watch the TV in the meanwhile they come, or else if any of your friends will come, they'll ask you to play. Okay, but here nowadays we can see everyone is holding what? A mobile. So if a mobile is with them, they don't need anyone's company, no need of any friend also. Okay, they will sit with the mobile for the long time and they'll be playing. Now what is happening? Many of you are doing, I think so. Okay, it's not so, it's true, right? Yes. So now it beeps and jitters day and night. Jitters means what? Makes nervous. Say for example, like what children, like parents don't use mobile that much. When they are in the office, okay, they use. When they are at home, they use very little because they'll be busy with again what? Household works, this and that. So they never, only for purpose. What is the purpose? To talk and to receive any information from their office people, like that only they use the mobile. But whereas teenage children, they use the mobile for all, like watching movies, listening songs, like what making different channels, or else like chit-chatting with friends, like this many things they'll do, right? Yes. So jitters means what? Makes nervous. Whereas parents, always if it is ringing, we get like irritation. Okay, we get like what? Irritating. Even though when the parents are sleeping, if at all if you get a call, the parents will get angry and immediately they will shout at the children. What's this? Even in the night also you are talking with your friends. What's nonsense this? Like that they'll shout at you. So jitters means what? It makes nervous. Okay, when it gives the sound, always like what? We don't like to hear such kind of sound. Even like what? When you are on the bed. Emitting tiny bluish light. It emits what? When like what? In some mobiles, okay, we can keep some like what? Whenever we get like personal, for example the ringtone also. For parents one ringtone we can keep, for friends one ringtone we can keep, so that with the help of the ringtone, if the mobile is somewhere also, you can understand that okay, so and so friend is calling, and immediately you will go to attend the call, right? So like that we have some facilities to use. Okay, so now here it is emitting what? Tiny bluish light. Tiny means what? Very small blue color light. For example, if we when we put the mobile for charging, once when we turn on the switch, we can see the red light. Once when the charge is full, we can see the green light. Like that we'll get the indication, right? So in that manner it is emitting what? Emitting means what? What is the meaning of emitting? Sending out light. What is the meaning of emitting? Sending out light. So mother is telling her daughter has a mobile phone and she is never alone because always she is busy in operating the mobile phone. Her ringtone is the latest rage. Okay, her ringtone is the latest one. Okay, as other preteens text and page. So as other preteens text and page. So if at all if she gets the message, okay, text message. For text message we can put a ringtone. Okay, so as other preteens text and page, one-liner messages appear that make her grin from ear to ear. What is the meaning of grin? Smile broadly. What is the meaning of grin here? Smile broadly. See for example, when we are in some other work, if at all if we get a call, immediately if it is of our friends, then if at all if any message is there which we like, if we read that, immediately there will be a grin on our face. Grin means what? Smile broadly from ear to ear. See, for example, even though sometimes it's not ringing the phone, as we are habituated every day listening to the same ringtone, then even though it's not ringing, we feel like as if it is ringing and we have to attend the call. Isn't it? Have you faced like that any time? Yes. So now here, now see, the latest crisis, who likes whom? Crisis means what? Problems. What is the meaning of crisis here? Problems. The latest crisis, who likes whom? The rock star with the best perfume. So the rock star with the best perfume. Nowadays what children, they'll be watching like what television, okay. For example, everyone will have their favorite hero or heroine. So whatever they are doing the ad in the television, when we see the ad, like what, if at all, if you take Mahesh Babu, if he is taking like what, any cold drink ad. So generally the children, if they are the fan of Mahesh Babu, they too, even though they don't like that drink, they prefer that, okay, like that. So now here, the latest crisis. Crisis means what? Problems. Who likes whom? The rock star with the best perfume. So now what here? The film stars, they may act on perfume, okay, by holding any of the perfume. So all the people, those who like that particular hero, even though whether the smell is good or bad, they try to purchase that perfume, right? So now, such weight matters cause her thrill and elevate our monthly bill. So these all matters will make her thrill, will give her happiness, okay. If at all if she purchase any perfume of her favorite hero or heroine, it makes her happy by purchasing such kind of things. And like what, in the immediately in Amazon or this and that, they will order it, okay. It makes them happy. But now what happened? Their monthly bill is going on increasing. So monthly bill, if it is postpaid, the postpaid means what? You will get you will get the letter to your home that your daughter has used so much of so and so, okay, so and so. Then immediately your parents, they will scold you and they'll give you the amount to pay it, okay. If it is prepaid, no problem, already we'll get the intimation. If it is postpaid, until we get the letter, we don't know how much we have used it, okay. So now, such weight matters cause her thrill, okay. All these, by seeing the ad, this and that, if she is going to perfume anything, or if she wants to order in the mobile, okay, for her it is like an enjoyment. But for parents, it is elevating monthly bill, okay. Elevate means what? Raise to higher level, raise to higher level. The monthly bill is going on increasing, the monthly bill is going on increasing, right? And yet the silver lining glows for we have never come to blows. I have never to raise my voice because I have a high-tech choice. So now see here, and yet the silver lining glows, for we have never come to blows. Blows means what here? They never come like what? If at all, if they argue, mother and daughter, if they argue, they will argue in the phone only. If at all, if mother wants something to do her, she will tell her through the phone, but directly she will not speak. Why? Because daughter is having, even though in her busy time also, when she get a phone call, immediately she will attend. Why? Because she likes to attend in the phone. Directly she will not listen. So what mother is doing, what she wants her to make, her to do, immediately she will make a call. Why? Because always the mobile is in her daughter's hand, okay. So for we have never come to blows. I have never have to raise my voice. I never raise my voice calling my daughter, where are you? Come here. I never raise my voice because there is a high-tech choice for me. What is that high-tech choice? The daughter is having mobile in her hand, so that mother can call to her daughter through mobile, okay. So now, if school assignments pile sky high, I exhale with a weighty sigh. So for example, the school assignment, the teachers are giving more work, okay. The teachers are giving more work. I exhale with a weighty sigh. I exhale means what? What is the meaning of exhale? Breathe out. Now mother, she breathes out like what? Weighty sigh. Oh my God, like that, okay. Weighty sigh. Like every modern mom who cares, I simply telephone upstairs. Nowadays, like what? Every modern mom, she wants her daughter to be on top, okay. She wants her daughter to be on top. Immediately when she receives the assignments from the school, she will go upstairs to tell her daughter, these many homeworks you got, come on, immediately you have to do it, okay. Then now, yes, you can see the picture right here, okay. You can see the picture. Now see, the daughter is on upstairs and the mother is sitting in the hall. So if she wants her to talk talk to her daughter anything, she will make a call. Okay. Then when chores demand her energies. Chores means what? Regular task. What is the meaning of chores here? Regular task. Nothing but routine task. Okay. When chores demand her energies, I simply text her asking please. So now what happened? When daughter is unable to listen, at that time she will ask her like what? Please, okay, you do your homework. Like that. Who will ask? Mother. No alibis or missing word. No alibis means what? No excuses. Okay. No excuses. You have to do it at any cost. Then, because it's clear that she has heard. Okay, because it's clear that she has heard. What mother said? You have got all your subjects homework. Immediately you have to do your homework. Now stop playing with your mobile. Come down and do your homework. So now this is the right situation, pandemic situation, right? Why? Because many of the children are not going to school, and this poem was written many years back, but now the situation, we have got the same situation. What is happening here? The child is sitting with a mobile phone. So nowadays what is happening? Even when the children are listening to the online classes, as the parents are giving the mobile, the children are misusing that. Okay, so they are listening to the online classes, and the remaining time when they are doing their homework, directly are they writing their homework? No, sometimes they are seeing the things which they want to see. Okay, in the same manner here also happened. So mother was warning her just to get down and to do her homework. And if my daughter goes outside, if at all if she goes outside to visit friends both far and wide, if at all if she asked her mother permission that I would like to go to my friend's house, and her friend's house is very far, then what? Her curfew is easy to enforce with her new cellular resource. So as she is holding the mobile now, if at all, for example, if the child is going out, she asked her mother permission that I would like to go to my friend's house. Then what mother will do? Immediately, if she go to her house, if at all, if mobile is in her hand, she will be like what? Doing there also the same thing. And if I call, she may not attend. So what the parents will do at that time? They take the mobile phone from the children and they'll give the permission to go. So like what? Now the parent can make a call to their parents, to her friend's parents, and inform her that okay, your mother is asking her to okay come. So like that they will tell her that your mother made a call, just you go ma. Like that her friend's parents will tell her. Okay, that is her idea. If at all if she wants to send her daughter also, she will not give the mobile, because at least for the mobile phone she will run to the house. She will not wait more time. She will not spend more time in her friend's house. This beeping tether holds her close. Tether means what? A rope for tying an animal. A rope for tying an animal. So when she is away from the house, this makes her come immediately. She will come to her house because she wants the mobile. Okay. So for that purpose at least she will come. Okay. Then while helping her feel grandiose. Grandiose means what? Planned on a large scale. What is the meaning of grandiose? Planned on a large scale. If separation occurs, my speed dial links my heart to hers. So if at all if separation occurs, still my daughter hasn't come from the house, from her friend's house, then immediately what? She will be waiting for her daughter, and her heart says, okay, it's time up, still your daughter hasn't come. Then immediately she will make a call to her friend's house. Okay, our handy cell phones help us out, convenient, easy, with no doubt. So our cell phones are working out very well. See, for example, if we go somewhere, if the parents don't have any information about us, immediately they'll make a call and they will try to inquire where we are by making a call. So in that way it is very helpful to us to have a communication. Okay. So that only she is telling here. Convenient, easy, with no doubt. Yes, certainly. Certainly means sure. They have their place, but can't we talk face to face? So now here what mother is saying, okay, we both of us have mobile phone, but everything, how can we talk in the phone, dear? Can't we talk face to face? When we are in the house, at least we can talk face to face. When you are away from me, if the mobile is with you, then I can talk to you in the phone. Like that mother is asking her daughter. So this is the conversation between the mother and the daughter, and mother is trying to explain about her daughter how she was busy with the mobile phone. So I hope everyone have understood the lesson. Here what she said, she uttered one. What is that? I can manage my daughter by having the mobile phone. If at all if I don't give the mobile phone to her when she is going to her friend's house, at least for that purpose she will come home early. Okay, she'll come home early because she want to chat with the other friends also. She went to only one friend, but she want to chat with other friends when she needs a mobile. So while going to her friend's house, she will not give a mobile phone, because at least for that purpose she will come early to the house. Okay, that is mother's intention. And at last what she is telling, when you are away from the house, if a mobile is with you, you can talk with me in the phone, but right now we are in the same house, so why can't we talk face to face, dear? Like that she is asking her daughter. So this is only about the poem Pretty in Pretext. So have you all understood the poem? I hope everyone have understood very clearly. So what you have to do, you have to have a glance, towards the poem so that you will understand very clearly. So thank you everyone.